we are going to ask them or find out what they have been through. So we have here Marlene Balanya, Charmaine Apura, and Mark Kenneth Apoy. And here we have Rose Angela Apura, and lastly, Rala Dena. We're going to start with you. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
So, our first question is, what difficulties have you faced or still facing right now?
Being a shy teenage girl, because being a shy teenage girl is my most difficult personal challenge in life, because it is most identified as obviously silence, and I stay away from people. I gain few friends in my life.
So, did you have any friends?
Few, but I can rely on them, or sometimes I can trust them and they can defend me when I need them.
Are you still shy now?
Yeah, actually.
So, how do you plan on overcoming this?
I want to get a maximum exposure to the society, and my best way is to actively participate in group activities.
Group activities like what?
Like I joined Taekwondo club. In my elementary days, I joined Girl Scout and I'm the troop leader. And I joined Don Bosco for the piano lesson. I joined any club at school, etc. Workouts, voluntary works, and music.
So, you met a lot of people there.
Yeah, actually, but I'm still shy to negotiate with them. I can't really, hang out with them because I'm hesitant to commit.
What you're doing right now is good. So, keep on going. Maybe you will. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
So, how did you feel through all this?
I feel like I'm being analyzed under a microscope because my inner world is exposed for all to see and criticize. Even though I am having a harmless conversation, it feels like I'm naked in the shower room.
So that you're joining clubs, and you should build your confidence up more so you can go out there and expose yourself more. Okay?
For your advice, I learned so much from that.
We're going with you next. Is that okay? Okay, I'm going to ask you, what are the difficulties in life that you have faced or still going through right now?
The challenge that I have encountered is when my parents had some misunderstanding about financial problem which turned into a fight. Day by day, my parents are always shouting to each other. My mom always cried and my dad always came home late and alone. And as a daughter, I was also affected at first. I cry most of the time, get stressed and depressed, but I even feel on my side. My mom also got stressed until one day she fainted. She fainted in front of me. That time I didn't really know what to do. I'm shocked, nervous, and scared, but I thought I would lose my mom that time. So after that day, I always took care of my mom, and I encouraged her to be strong. I told her that we can surpass this challenge as long as we're together. But then the problem in our family was not yet done. It becomes worse as day passes. My dad started hurting my mom physically.
It's fine here.
When the day comes, they let us choose between them, with the thought that they can't resolve that problem anymore. That time I felt down and broken. Thinking that I was going to have a broken family was too painful. And also realizing way back, my mom came from a broken family, and she told me how she felt miserable having only her father at her side and longing for a mother for so many years. And that hits me. I don't want that thing also happen to our family, to me. I don't want to lose any of them, that I can resist if our family faces poverty forever. As long as we're together, I'll be happy and content.
Actually, at a loss for words right now, but
all I can tell you is that you should stay strong and believe what you should believe in.
And now we have Kenneth. So Kenneth, are you ready? Okay. So, as usual, what is the difficulty or challenge that you're facing right now?
So, as a son, I am being compared to my younger siblings by my parents. They even told me that my younger siblings are better than me. For an example, when my younger brother accomplished great things, my parents is really proud of him. Unfortunately, they will compare his achievements to mine.
You're coping with things. Do you envy him?
Sometimes I feel envious to my younger brother because of the unfair treatment.
Is that you should not change yourself. You're special, you're unique, you're created by God. As with your parents, they need to realize that you're special, you're unique. Understood? So up next we have Ryla. Are you ready?
Yes.
So what is the difficulty or problem that you're facing right now?
The problem that I'm facing right now is my own personal attitude that I'm should control and discipline. And being of a president in our classroom.
What type of attitude?
Honestly, I'm a wrong person. Sometimes I hurt their feelings, my friends and classmates.
You're being too honest with me.
They are stressed out in a classroom because there's so many things I need to fix, such as papers, to code and I always need to remind my classmates about sweeper, maintain cleanliness in our classroom because that is a part of my goal in our classroom. Sometimes, some of my classmates are not cooperative when it comes to classroom boys and girls. They are very naughty and they are complaining to me. Now, oh, the president is having her sauna. They say that straight on my face. It's very offensive. I'm suddenly crying because I really did hurt my feelings, you know. I'm just doing my responsibility in our classroom. And I think what is right. And that is the good for our classroom. Go.
From what I can tell, you're a very busy person, right?
Yeah.
So how about your co-officers? Did they not help you?
Some of them are not cooperating with me because they are busy. They are participating in the activities in our class, in our campus.
So do you think you can handle this all by yourself?
Yes, definitely.
First of all, you should get your co-officers to help you and would lessen the problem, right? And regarding your attitude, it's just practice about holding back your honesty towards others. You understand? Okay, that's all I can say for now. And the cutest one,
You don't have
Rose
to take
Angela.
wine, cheese.
are you ready?
Yeah.
Of course, as the same with the others. What is the difficulty that you're facing right now?
Difficulties that I'm facing right now is that my classmates is bullying me.
How are they bullying you?
Discrimination, there are verbal bullying me
What
physically. You know, it sounds funny, but they were teasing me that you're so little, your height is like a dwarf. Oh my god. I have my friends at school, but online study. And I can't also defend myself because I know that I can't beat them.
How about your parents? Do they know about this?
No, I don't tell them because it's only another problem.
Solution to your problem is always simple. Accept yourself. You know your height is your greatest asset. It makes you cute.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Oh my god, thank you.
You can see everyone experiences challenges, but guys, you need to realize this. Challenges are a blessing in disguise to mold you into the better person you are and will be. That you can turn your challenges into opportunities, and it's the best way to overcome them. Thank you for listening.